We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the ALKB keep-out signs for gaming room wall door decor. If you already own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others decide if it's right for them. This product is marketed as a futuristic metal sign designed to enhance gaming spaces, while serving as a decorative warning to avoid interruptions during gameplay. With its cyberpunk-inspired blue and purple design, it aims to add a touch of science fiction flair to any room while remaining functional and durable. Let's dive into what users have experienced with this product. Starting with its design, the ALKB keep-out sign has received widespread praise for its vibrant and eye-catching colors. Many reviewers highlight how the blue and purple combination stands out, creating an appealing aesthetic that fits perfectly in a gaming room setup. The cyberpunk mechanical style is noted as being unique and modern, making it an excellent addition for those who enjoy futuristic themes. Parents and gift givers particularly appreciate this aspect, as it resonates well with teens and younger gamers who often gravitate toward bold and colorful designs. Several users mention that the sign doubles as an inspiring decoration or even a photo prop for themed events, further underscoring its versatility in usage beyond just gaming rooms. The material quality of this sign has also been highly rated by customers. Made from 100% rust-free aluminum, it is described as lightweight yet sturdy, ensuring longevity even with frequent handling or relocation. Many buyers have commented on how the colors remain vibrant over time without fading, which is especially important for decorative items exposed to light or varying conditions. One customer noted that they used command strips to hang the sign on their son's door, emphasizing how easy it is to install without damaging walls or doors. This ease of installation adds to its appeal as a practical gift item. Speaking of gifting, the ALKB keep-out sign has been repeatedly mentioned as a hit among recipients. Whether purchased for sons, grandsons, nephews, or friends, the product consistently brings joy to gamers and their families alike. Reviewers often share stories of how their loved ones reacted positively upon receiving the sign, with some describing it as the perfect birthday or holiday gift. One customer shared their excitement about giving it to their nephew for Christmas, highlighting how well it fits into festive gifting occasions. Another reviewer mentioned that their grandson loved the sign so much that his parents also found it amusing and enjoyable. These anecdotes underscore its universal appeal across different age groups and settings. However, no product is without its drawbacks, and some reviewers have pointed out minor issues with the ALKB keep-out sign. A few buyers noted that while the colors are vibrant on most monitors, they may appear slightly different depending on individual screen settings when viewed online before purchase. This discrepancy can lead to slight variations in expectations versus reality upon receiving the item. Additionally, being lightweight aluminum means that while durable, it might not have the heft some customers prefer in decorative signs. Despite these minor concerns, most users agree that these do not detract significantly from its overall quality or functionality. The ALKB keep-out sign's dimensions of 12 x 8 inches make it an ideal size for door or wall placement without overwhelming other decor elements in the room. Its compact form factor ensures compatibility with various setups while still being large enough to grab attention effectively. Many reviewers appreciate this balance between size and visibility, noting how well it integrates into gaming spaces without feeling intrusive or out of place. In terms of customer service, ALKB has been commended for providing responsive after-sales support. Buyers who had questions about the product received prompt assistance from the manufacturer, which reflects positively on their commitment to customer satisfaction. This level of service adds value to the purchase experience and reassures customers about addressing any concerns they might have post-purchase. Overall impressions of the ALKB keep-out sign are overwhelmingly positive across multiple reviews online. Its vibrant design, durable material quality, ease of installation, and universal gifting appeal make it a standout choice for anyone looking to enhance their gaming room decor or surprise a gamer with a thoughtful gift. While minor issues like color discrepancies and lightweight material preferences exist, they are far outweighed by its benefits and user satisfaction ratings. If you're considering adding this sign to your gaming space or gifting it to someone special, rest assured that it has been well received by numerous buyers who appreciate its combination of style and practicality. The link to purchase this product is provided in the description. Using it supports our channel and helps us continue providing detailed reviews like this one.